Dyma ni y tri sydd ar y brig.
Malcolm Dixon fyna sydd ar y brig. Fi'n siŵr fydd e'n gobeithio fydd e'n aros na. Nath e ennill y dosbarth hyn llynedd.
Rooster Coburn.
Rooster Coburn. Malcolm prynu'r ceffyl bach ma fel ebol.
Yn rhan ogleddol y prif gylch, mae dosbarthiadau i'r Cobiau Marchogaeth. Ac yr un dosbarth sydd yn yr adran yma, ac mae'r beiriad Mr John Keane a Leslie Whitehall wrthi yn beirniadu. Ac mae Beth Simons-Evans yn cadw cwmni i fan hyn, ac Beth, dyn ni'n gweld enillydd llynedd Malcolm Dixon a Rooster Coburn sydd yn mynd ar wobr gyntaf.
Bydd Malcolm wrth i fod, fi'n caru. Wedi bod yn berchenog ar y ceffyl bach ma ers bod e'n ebol. Di ennill llynedd a nawr ennill to lenni. Mae hwnna'n beth digon arbennig.
Yn yr ail safle felly Simon Jones a Ray.
Simon Jones away, and then in third place 1683 Grace Morris and Midnight Topper. Fourth place 1670 Kay Campbell, 8 on the Masterpiece. In fifth place 1677 Clean Jones, Colour Impact. In sixth place 1676 Alana Green with Pencampwriaeth Cobiau. That now concludes our ridden classes here this morning, and we will now be transferring on to the main entertainment shortly. So thank you very much to both of the judges on the Ridden Cobs, to Leslie Whitehall, who was judging the riding, and to Mr John Keane, who was judging the confirmations. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi'ch ddau am ddod yma i Llanelwedd i sioe fawr i feirniadu gyda ni y bore yma.
Stewards have been working very hard as usual here in the event. Safe classes of very close to that. It shows that the timetable very close to where to be. I'm not sure, however, everybody is safely out of the ring before we carry on. That will start very shortly with the Bulldog FMX.
Enillydd y dosbarth i'r Cobiau Marchogaeth. Rooster Coburn, dan berchnogaeth a Malcolm Dixon. Malcolm Dixon yn ennill y dosbarth i'r Cobiau Marchogaeth gyda Rooster Coburn.
Give a round of applause then, ladies and gentlemen. Very supportive. Good morning. Both over there on the back gun and the Castella World Grandstand. As I said here this morning in the main ring, but the horses have also been competing on the horse. We will get the beats on the road.
Dyna ni y cystadlu wedi dod i ben ar ddiwrnod cynta'r sioe yn y prif gylch. Ond cyn ni adael, mae Hannah yng nghwmni Malcolm Dixon enillydd y dosbarth i'r Cobiau ar gyfer y Marchogaeth.
Wel, dyma ni ym Pencampwriaeth Cobiau dan gyfrwy, a mae Malcolm Dixon wedi ennill. Not the first time you've won this class, I believe, Malcolm.
No, I think this is the seventh time.
How many, sorry?
7.
7 times.
Second time with him, and I won it 5 times with another horse.
Well, that is fantastic. I think you're the king of this class, you must be. A I chi wedi brido'r ceffyl yma?
Oedden, wrthi sy'n fynd swglin bach yn march yn y byddar.
A siwr ych chi'n teimlo heddi nawr yn gweld e'n mynd o gampas y prif gylch yma yn ennill y Pencampwriaeth?
Overwhelmed. Ydw. Fi'n ei gwydio.
Wel, joiwch pob eiliad o hwn nawr. Are we coming back for the Supreme on Thursday?
I'm going to the Royal International. I can't, I'm going to the Royal International with him.
With this horse? Well, we wish you the best of luck a pob lwc I chi fel y brydwyr. Felly, if you are going to do another lap of honour, I'm not sure if they'll allow you to. Oh, they're putting stuff out. Wel, pob lwc yn sioe Royal International a llongyfarchiadau mawr I chi.
Lady from the Bulldog in the ring, setting up.